In 1977, Sticker and me had a group called the Duck Pistols. Great fucking name, the Duck Pistols. I mean, what a find, right? And then up come the Sex Pistols with God Save the Queen. I mean, God Save the fucking Queen. Can you believe it for a song title? They just upped and copped every single thing from us, those bastards. Look, the safety pins, the orange air. The difference was that they weren't playing badly on purpose. Look at the show we did in the Movida in Birmingham, in the Brum, in February 77. That was energy. Real, pure fucking energy.
That's so vicious and so right. I want me Biff because he stinks so much.
They took everything from us. I mean, you know, just everything. Now look at me. I mean, tell me, who do you think people are going to remember? Who are they going to remember in 50 years from now? Huh? Go on, you tell me.